Hello. Before you continue watching the video, please be sure to have your class notebook out and something to write with. You will need to take notes on this lesson. In today's lesson, we will go over homophones. A homophone is one of two or more words pronounced alike but different in meaning or derivation or spelling. And derivation simply means the making of a word from a root word. For example, strategize, which comes from the root word strategy. Now, there are many homophones in the English language. We will be going over just a couple of them today. We will be starting with there, and there. If you recall from the previous slide, the definition of a homophone is two or more words which are pronounced alike. In this case, there are three theirs. The first there, T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb, and it refers to in, at, or to that place or position. The second there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, is simply the contraction form of they are. The third there, T-H-E-I-R, is a determiner or a modifier, and it shows ownership or association with. Now let's look over some of the examples. Number one, there is a lot of traffic on the 60 freeway going east. There is referring to the traffic being at the 60 freeway. Therefore, it is T-H-E-R-E. Number two, they're going with us on vacation to Mexico next month. There refers to the contraction they are, meaning they are going with us on vacation to Mexico next month. So it is T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Our next example, did they park their car in lot D? In this case, there is a modifier, and it shows the ownership or the association of the car by more than one person. Remember that this there is plural. Now we are going to move on to a set of two homophones, affect and effect. Affect with an A is a verb, and it means to influence or make a difference to. Please look at the following examples. Drinking alcohol will definitely affect your ability to drive. In this case, the sentence is saying that the alcohol will influence or affect your ability to drive. In our second example, the cold weather is affecting my cold symptoms. The cold weather is also influencing or affecting the cold symptoms. Whether it be that the cold weather is making the symptoms worse or better, that we don't know, but it is influencing them. Therefore, it is affecting with an A. Now, effect with an E is a noun, and it is a result or consequence of an action. For example, what effect does global warming have on our planet? Really, what I'm asking is, what are the consequences or effect of global warming to our planet? Therefore, we would use effect with an E. Our next example, the effect of Hurricane Katrina on New Orleans was devastating. In this case, what I'm saying is that the result or effect of Hurricane Katrina was devastating on New Orleans. This completes the portion of the lesson on the usage of the three theirs and affect and effect. Now I would like for you to pause the video and take this short quiz. Try not to use your notes in order to test yourself. Now that you've taken the quiz, let's see how well you did. Go over the answers of the quiz and self-check your papers at this time. Okay, so hopefully you did well on this quiz. Now let's go on to the homework assignment. I'm going to need for you to make a list of 10 homophones. You're going to write the definition next to each word, And you're going to write one sentence for each word using the homophone correctly. This concludes our lesson on homophones. Thank you.